No charges. That's what the Rock Island State's attorney determined after the deadly police shooting of 21-year-old Jakarta Jackson. According to the state's attorney report released just a few hours ago, the officer's use of deadly force earlier this month was reasonable given the totality of the circumstances. Jenna Webster joins us in studio to take us through the body cam footage also released late today. Good evening, Jenna.
Yeah, John, this was the aftermath of the shooting on January 5th. Now, it is important to note we received edited dash camera and body camera footage. A total of 7 short videos were sent showing specific moments. We have sent a Freedom of Information Act request for the full unedited video, but here's what we can show you now.
Hey, come here.
In the video, you can see an officer approach a parked car.
Come here now.
Jakarta Jackson is already outside the vehicle and walking away.
215. I got one running. Go over 24. Stop him! Shoot you!
Rock Island Police Officer Brett Taylor chases Jackson around the house.
Show me your hand! Stop!
Jackson gets back inside the car.
Get out of the car!
After breaking the window using a baton, Taylor opens the door.
Oh, shoot you! Oh, put it in the car! Put it in the car! Oh, shoot you!
When we pause the video, you can see a passenger put the car in park. Seconds later, in this slowed down version, Jackson puts it back in drive. At this point, the camera becomes partially covered and it's difficult to see. But from the dash cam perspective, we see the other adults outside the car. As it starts driving, they yell, "You got your kids, stop the car." A few seconds later, you hear the shots fired. We're not showing you that moment.
215 shots fired.
Now, this was just part of the evidence State's Attorney Dora Villarreal reviewed. Her entire report is 18 pages. Again, she ruled the shooting reasonable, writing, quote, "Whether Jackson intended to jeopardize the life of the officer and the passengers in the vehicle is not a factor in this legal analysis. But the bottom line is that he did, and they are lucky to be alive." John?
All right, Jenna, thank you. And new tonight, we're hearing from the legal team representing Jackson's family. They said they're, quote, "deeply troubled by the lack of full transparency given to the family today. Without the full picture of what happened, it is impossible to believe the law enforcement narrative that the shooting was justified." And if you want to see the full video we were provided today, you can see it on our website, WQAD.com.